Quad Lock is the lightest, strongest, and most secure iPhone bike mount on the market. Perfect for road cycling, mountain biking, and daily commuting. Quad Lock mounts your iPhone on either the stem or bars in just seconds. The system is perfect for navigation, tracking your fitness, or just viewing your notifications while on the go. The Quad Lock interface is super strong and will hold your iPhone securely over even the roughest terrain. Don't worry about getting caught in the rain. Just slip on the weather-resistant cover called the poncho. Quad Lock makes for a great everyday case with its slim profile and complete edge-to-edge protection. Its composite construction and grippy material make it feel great in the hand while still being pocketable. Quad Lock is the best solution on the market and receives rave reviews from all over the world. Quad Lock is also compatible with an extended range of mounts and accessories.
Aloha everyone, my name is Eric Sturman and I'm the founder of Sturman Aerials. We're out here at Kualoa Park filming with the new Typhoon H with Intel RealSense technology. I've been filming professionally with drones since early 2013, and since then, watching the progression with this technology, I'm really excited to show you what this can do. The amazing thing about the Typhoon H with Intel RealSense technology is that it doesn't just fall short of avoiding an object, but it will intelligently reroute itself around it and continue on its path. The incredible thing about this new technology is that it gets smarter and smarter as you fly it, and while you're flying it, it creates a 3D mapping of its surrounding and it will remember it. It's so easy to use obstacle avoidance. Just simply flip the switch into the on position. Obstacle avoidance works in both smart and angle mode. If you're in angle mode, you have full control of the Typhoon H, but if RealSense is activated, it will stop you from moving forward into an object that it senses. But you can go up, down, left, and right around the object, just not forward into it. In smart mode, you can really see how RealSense technology works. By selecting Follow Me and turning on RealSense, the Typhoon H will avoid all obstacles while tracking your position and keeping you in the shot.
Hey guys, Jonathan here, and I know Philips Hue is addicting. You got a taste of that light game, but you want more. Here are the ways to extend your setup. First, the simplest way is more light bulbs. On top of dishing out that oh so pretty lighting, they're smart, they're energy efficient, and come in a handful of shapes and sizes to perfectly suit your home. Next are accent lights, and whether it's a Philips Hue Go or the Lightstrip Plus, this allows you to integrate complementary lighting into your furniture and your cabinets and results in this really awesome indirect ambient lighting that really rounds out your system. Now once you've stepped up your lighting game, you can then add in controls and accessories which really allows you to customize how you control your lights. Whether it's the Hue Tap, the Hue Dimmer Switch, or the Hue Motion Sensor, these give you instant control over scenes, moods, without ever having to touch your phone or tablet. Lastly, you can also extend your system with Philips Hue Beyond. On top of being plug and play, what's awesome with Hue Beyond is there are two independent light sources, an uplight and a downlight. So with this, you're able to combine functional white light with a splash of color, or you can go all out with endless color combinations to create rich and vibrant scenes that perfectly match your mood. So those are the ways to extend, but if you need any help setting up, I got you. Just make sure to check out the installation video.
Ask all recipes for a shrimp pasta recipe.
My recommendation is champagne shrimp and pasta recipe. Main ingredients are shrimp, mushrooms, plum tomatoes, cream and Parmesan cheese.
Mushrooms. Tomatoes. How many ounces are in a cup?
1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces.
Buy white wine from Prime now.
Your favorite white wine will be here between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m.
Dim lights to 70%. To old friends. Good to see you guys.